Hey! What a big, strong girl, huh? Sitting all by yourself. Yeah. You got your friend, huh? You got your turtle? You're such a big girl. Been sitting for a long time already. Whoa, little wobbly.
Hey, when you did, it took a lot of guts. You got 7th place. That means you automatically qualify for next year's race.
Well, I appreciate what you guys did out there today, too. That also took a lot of guts. Especially you, Larry.
We were all rooting for our bad.
There you go.
Yeah, all right, then.
Catch a book.
I guess I'll see you guys next Tuesday.
Oh, got this guy. There you go. Oh, can you get it? Can you get her?
10.5 horse under the hood.
Good job, Lillian. Hi. Hi, Miss Lily.
Well, why don't you give your friend my card?
What a big girl.